welcome to another video from the Technology Training Team, a department of the Prince George's County Public Schools IT Division. Today we're talking about grades in Canvas. Canvas is an app that allows teachers to create interactive online courses for their students. The grades page in Canvas displays scores that have been entered for assignments that are posted by your teacher within the course. You can also view any comments and rubrics associated with the assignment. It's important to remember that regardless of what you see in Canvas, SchoolMax is the official record for course grades. If you're looking for final course grades, always check the SchoolMax family portal. Okay, you can view grades several different ways. On the dashboard card view, look under Recent Feedback in the right sidebar and click View Grades. This brings up Canvas grade totals for each of your courses. Click a course to see the list of grades for that course. On the dashboard list view, click the grades icon to see a popover menu. Click the course to see the list of grades for that course. The third way is to open the course from the dashboard, then click the grades link in the left navigation list. Regardless of how you get there, once you're on the grades page, you see the assignments. You may see a name, due date, current status, score, total possible score, and there may also be an additional icon in the final column. Click the icon to view teacher feedback or rubrics for the assignment. You may also see an icon in the score column. This means that your response has been submitted in that format, but not graded yet. You may also see an eye with a line across it, which means the teacher is working on the grade. To view grades for a different course, select it from the course drop-down list, then click Apply. By default, grades are sorted by due date. To sort by another column, select it from the Arrange By drop-down list and click Apply. And that's all for this video, but be sure to check out our other Canvas videos for students on our YouTube channel. This has been another production from the Technology Training Team. Thanks for watching.